Hello everyone. In today's video, we're gonna be discussing our favorite makeup product, which is lipsticks. Yes, we do a lot of mistake when we apply the lipstick. Even if you're a beginner or you have some experience in using the lipstick, you do some mistakes. So in this video, I'm gonna be discussing all those mistakes. I have listed top 7 mistakes what we do usually. So in this video, I will be sharing my knowledge which I learned throughout my mistake since I started doing makeup. If you're interested, please continue watching until the end to know what are all the mistakes and how you can fix that. So let's start the video. Before that, if you're new to my channel, hey, I'm Tilaga. I will be posting 2 videos every single week. And if you're new here, please subscribe my channel. Please click the red subscribe button and also the bell icon to be informed when I upload next time. So let's go to the video. Mistake number 1 is using concealer or foundation to even out your pigmented lips. When you apply a concealer or a foundation before applying the lipstick or to even out your pigmented lips, you tend to mix the lipstick with your foundation or a concealer and you don't get the true color of the lipstick. For this, all you have to do is take a lip liner that closely matches to the lipstick color which you apply, and then use the lip liner to fill your lips and then apply a coat of lipstick. Mistake number 2 is applying any lipstick directly over your lips. So you tend to do this mistake a lot of time. Even I did the same. So all you have to do is take a lip balm, moisturize your lips, and then if you have applied excess, just wipe it out with a tissue paper and then apply a lipstick. Maybe it's a liquid lipstick or a bullet lipstick. Mistake number 3 is applying too much of lipstick. Yes, we always apply layers and layers of lipstick to get that evened out color in our lips. So when you open the lipstick wand, you always go directly over your lips. That is, you always apply a lot of product. Just wipe out the excess which is in the wand and then apply a single coat on your lips. If it doesn't give you the full color, full pigmented on your lips, then you can go for another layer, because we buy a lot of expensive product, right? So don't go overboard and waste your products. Always go with very little amount of product which is in the wand. Mistake number 4 is reapplying the lipstick over the old one. So, for example, if you are going out with your friends or family and you have applied a liquid lipstick which is of a dry formula and the color has faded out, so you want to retouch up your lips. For this, you have to do is, if you are applying the lipstick over the old one, you tend to make your lips to look very dirty and it doesn't gives you a nicer look. So you have to wipe the previous one which you applied earlier and then you have to go with a new layer of lipstick. Mistake number 5, choosing a wrong lip shade which doesn't enhance your face. We always do this mistake when we buy a lipstick product through online, because we don't have the option of seeing the product in real and then swatching it on the back of our hand and then buying it. So we have to if you're buying a product through online, you will have this problem. So how you can fix this mistake is, take a brown lip liner which you have and then line your lips with that. I mean, you can fill it on the edges of your lips and then on the center of your lips you have to apply the light shade which you choose. And then on the corners, on the outside corners of your lips, you can slightly contour your lips. I mean, you can apply any foundation or a concealer which is of your shade to make that shade work for you, and it will definitely give you a sharper lips. Mistake number 6, crooked lips. You may do this mistake when you want to work with a dark lipstick shade or any red lipstick, I can say. So if your outer lip line is not very precise or it doesn't look very sharp, it would definitely ruin your lipstick look. So what you can do is, take a lip brush to draw the shape of your lips and then fill it in with the lipstick you want to work. Or else you can use a concealer to clean the edges of your lips. Mistake number 7 is transferring your lipstick everywhere. In the back of my hand, I don't have any product. So when I do this, my lipstick has transferred here. So this is what we call transferring lipstick everywhere. How you can fix this mistake is, you have to take a tissue paper, place it over your lips, and then blot some extra powder over the tissue paper. So the lipstick has sealed right now. So the transfer would be very less, I can see, because we can't make the lipstick to be bulletproof or waterproof, something like that. All you can do is, we can slow down the transferring process. So that's what we do in this mistake. So that's it, guys. So far I have explained all the 7 mistakes, and I have explained how you can fix those mistakes also. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be meeting you all with the exciting topic in my next video. So until then, it's Tilaga signing off. Bye bye.